Students, this is your day 2 of your biology class. So student, first of all, we're going to review of our given question which is given you in homework. So first question is name the element and that determines the weather of a place. So element which represent the weather is temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity, rainfall and cloudiness. So these are the elements which represent the weather. And next one is, what do you mean by weather? Define weather. So basically weather is a state of atmosphere at a particular place and a time. So climate or an environment of a particular place at a particular time represented in term of weather. So student, further we going to start our next topic, factor responsible for change in weather. So actually first is the very important factor which is responsible to change of environment, that is the temperature, and temperature is depend upon sun. So means sun is the main factor responsible for change in weather. The temperature of place depend upon intensity of a sunlight. We know that if sun is away from earth, the temperature is lower, or when sun is near the sun, the temperature is higher. So main factor of a temperature and responsible for change in temperature, that is sun. So according to this slide, we analyze which position have lower temperature in case of A position and B position. According to A and B, we recognize that A is lower height from the ground level or a sea level, and B have the high altitude comparison to A. So at a high altitude always have a lower temperature. And why the high altitude have a lower temperature? That is a single reason, because place at higher altitude have a lower temperature because few air molecules at higher altitude to absorb heat from sunlight. Because if there is no molecule to absorb heat, that means the temperature level is lower comparison to ground, because at a ground or a less level toward the sea level have a, comparing to A and B, having the great molecules which absorb most of light from the sun and responsible for higher temperature. According to this slide, we observe that there are A and B have two positions on a globe. So which is the red line, which is top and bottom, represent north and south, and center one is the equator. At a